Okay, let us see today. AB raised to m is equal to A raised to m B raised to n. What is the meaning of it? AB, you can see this is multiplication. Suppose I have 3 into 5 raised to 3. What is the meaning of it? Each one, that is 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 3. It simply means that. Okay. Suppose I have 4 into 10 raised to 2. What is the meaning of it? 4 raised to 2 multiplied by 10 raised to 2. Okay. Suppose similarly you have another one formula, that is A upon B raised to m is equal to A raised to m upon B raised to n. This is why I said bracket is very important. Okay. A upon B raised to m is equal to A raised to m B raised to m. Suppose I am writing A upon B raised to m. What is the meaning of it? This means that A raised to m upon B. Bracket is not there. If it is bracket, then it means it is applicable for A as well as B. Otherwise, it is only for A. Now, suppose I have 3 upon 4 raised to 2. What is the meaning of it? 3 square upon 4 square. Similarly, suppose I have minus 2 upon 5 raised to 6. What is the meaning of it? Minus 2 raised to 6 upon 5 raised to 6. Okay. This is the meaning of it. Similarly, we also have one more formula over there. A raised to m raised to n equal to A raised to m into n. That is, suppose I have 3 raised to 2. Okay, 3 square bracket again raised to 4. So how do I find the answer? What is the meaning of it? 3 square. Now meaning of it is 3 squared is multiplied 4 times. 3 square is multiplied 4 times. Now what is the meaning of 3 square? 3 squared means 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Now you know how to get the answer of it. Okay, when it is multiplied, what do? Add the indices. So you will have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So what is the answer? 3 raised to, you will be getting it as 8. 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 8. That is what we get over here. That we can say that 3 raised to, that is square, multiplied by 4. That we are getting it as 3 raised to 8. What you got over here only. Okay. So when you have 3 raised to 2 raised to 4, then both the indices should be multiplied for the answer. Okay. Let us take one example. Suppose you have, I have 4 raised to 8 raised to 6. 4 raised to 8 raised to 6. What is the meaning of it? 4 raised to 8 is multiplied 6 times. Okay. Now how do we solve it? We don't have to solve it by adding and multiplying. Okay. We have a formula. What is the formula? A raised to m raised to n is equal to A raised to m into n. So you have to only write 4 raised to, multiply the indices, that is 8 into 6. A6 are 48. This is the answer. Suppose I have 10 raised to 3 raised to 5. How do I get the answer? 10 raised to, multiply the indices, 3 into 5, that is equal to 10 raised to 15. Now please don't get confused to when will you add the indices divide the minus the indices and multiply the indices. When it is multiplication, that is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. When it is multiplied, then you have addition. If it is division, you have subtraction. And if it is raised to, then only you are multiplying. Please don't confuse yourself with all three. Okay. So when you are learning the formula, learn it properly. I think you can solve practice set 29 also. Okay, you can solve practice set 29. Okay, we stop here.